Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Thursday, February 20th. So, what's going on today? We've got forexfactory.com here, and you can see we had unemployment claims, which was a red item, but came in just a tad worse than expected. 219,000 claims versus 215 expected. It's a little bit worse than expected, but not too much to write home about. Philly Fed manufacturing index, a orange item, came in less than expected. So, yeah, we're starting to see the economy slow down a little bit. And that would be in response to interest rates and the fact that the economy is just not doing very well. Potential tariffs, lots of reasons to contribute to this. At 9:35, we have FOMC member Goolsbee speaking. 10 a.m., we have the CB leading index month over month. That should be interesting. Natural gas storage at 10:30. 12 o'clock, we have crude oil inventories. Now, a lot of you are going, well, crude oil inventories is usually a Wednesday thing, but whenever we have a Monday holiday, it gets shifted by one day. So there you go. That's the trivia behind some of these numbers. 12:05, we have FOMC member Muslim speaking. 2 p.m., we have FOMC member Barr speaking, and that kind of rounds out the day for the news that should impact the markets. Taking a look at the charts. So charts are kind of interesting here. I consider this a top, and a top. So a triple top is it forming or maybe has formed. And the fact that we were unable to break through this previous high shows me that they went up and tested it, but were unable to muster the strength to do it, which is weakness, showing weakness. That being said, we have a higher low here. There's a lot of mixed stuff going on in this chart. High, lower high, lower high, or at least I guess it did actually poke through it. But, third time is the charm. Is it? I don't know. But the more times we go up, the higher the probability is that it's going to break to the upside. So it is very bullish. It's very bullish, but it's also showing some weakness. We are above all the moving averages. We've broken out of this wedge. Let's see if we can break out from this high previously from January 24th. See if we can actually break this all-time high back here from December. Very interesting. Volume, not particularly interesting at all. Could be just the time of year. Who knows? Positive price action, positive inventory. That's the way it's supposed to be. Nothing to write home about there. Overnight action is actually very narrow, only 18 points. That's at or below the average. Where do we have support and resistance? We've got resistance on the top side, basically around 61.60. We jump too far above that. You have to go all the way up to 61.81.50. And then above that, you are in no man's land. We're guesstimating up in here, 6,200. Obviously, the whole number, 62.20, 62.30. For support, we got some support at 61.30. We break that. Probably going to run down pretty quickly, 51.15, maybe all the way down to 6100. If we break 6100, 6090, 6080, 6070 are going to be the main resistance, or should say support areas going forward. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 38.1% chance the market will be up. That gives a 62% chance the market will be down. So Stock Traders Almanac projecting a negative expectancy for today. There you have it. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.